Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very interesting plant holder with just popsicle sticks that you can find from the dollar store. All you will need is some popsicle sticks and a glue gun. Here I'm gluing 3 popsicle sticks together and I made 48 of these. Since the planter is going to be in a hexagon shape, I needed 8 sets of these popsicle sticks for each side. 48 sticks was just right enough for my pot to fit in. If you want your planter to be taller, you could use more popsicle sticks. So here I've created the hexagon shape by gluing down the edges. Now to build the planter, I'm gluing down one edge of the popsicle stick directly right above the edge of the popsicle stick beneath it. But on the other side, I'm gluing it to the edge of the popsicle stick beneath it in an angle. This will give you that twisty or spiral-shaped hexagon planter. I think it'll be easier to watch me do it, so I've shown it a couple of times here. I'm finally done with my planter and I think it came out super cute. You could spray paint this gold, white, black, whatever color you want to match with your home decor. This is also a very versatile piece. You could not only use it as a planter, you could also hang it on the wall and use it as a wall shelf, as well as a lantern. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making this. Please do like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.